With all the amazing grapes grown in the state, it's no surprise that you can find amazing wine anywhere you go. Today I'm visiting Pomeroy Cellars in Yacolt, where they celebrate the pioneers of the past and the grapes of the present.
I just started making wine as a hobby. That hobby got out of control real quick.
Dan Brink is the winemaker at Pomeroy Cellars. As a fifth-generation Pomeroy, Dan became interested in wine after taking some college courses. From there, his education was up to him.
As far as a winemaker goes, I am trained in the School of Hard Knocks. When I started, I was a mad scientist in the basement with a bunch of small batches trying to kind of figure it all out and what I liked. People like kind of the velvety elegance of my wines. They're very smooth and easy to drink, but they have a lot of depth and complexity.
Yeah. Now let's try some of these fabulous wines.
Should I get down on the floor and he can just like open up the...
So I'm gonna draft off the sample valve here, a little bit of our Lucia number 47 blend.
Thank you.
Single vineyard blend from the Brule Vineyard in the Yakima Valley.
I can see why people love your wine.
In this wine in particular, you get a lot of the dusty cherry. That's something that the Brule is really known for. That's the only vineyard in the state that gives this unique dusty cherry flavor. Yeah. Sure.
But wine isn't the only interesting thing going on the property here. I'm meeting up with Tommy Miller, the operations manager for Pomeroy Cellars, as well as the board president for the Pomeroy Living History Farm.
So what is a living history farm?
A living history farm takes what we know with our history and shares it with the public. So we actually have folks that dress in character and teach school kids about what life was like in the 1920s.
Our first stop was the rebuilt log house where the family lived.
I just stepped back in time. This is so cool.
This isn't just about our history and the family history here, it's all of our history.
So I bet the kids love all of this fun stuff.
They do. This one is used primarily for our school programs. We see about 3,500 to 4,000 school kids through our school programs.
Okay, we're moving on.
Our next stop was the blacksmith shop.
At that time, you couldn't run down to the hardware store and just grab a box of nails. Anything and everything that was needed around the farm, they could make it in here.
To finish the tour, I met some new friends.
This is probably one of the favorite activities for people visiting the farm.
You already got some.
We have Myrtle and
Who's this?
Ginny. This is George.
Hi, George. You're very handsome. There's a lot going on here.
There is, and it's really a treat to be able to have this and to be able to share this. So this is the kind of place where your kids can bring their kids back and their kids, into the future. So.
And don't forget about the wine.
And don't forget about the wine.
It's good stuff.
Thank you.
Okay, bye, George. See you later.